What's up everyone and welcome to another mashup challenge. In today's video we're creating our own version of a Venomized Mickey Mouse. Now we're going to begin in the center of our page at the top edge of the muzzle. Starting over on the left side, we're going to draw a curve that goes up, just up above the nose, and we'll pull that back down on the right. Now we're going to go back to the center and draw an oval for the nose. Starting right here, go out toward the left, go across the bottom, and then back up. Let's add a highlight along the top. Start with a small oval, and we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now the next thing we're going to do is work our way around the outside of the eyes, leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the brow coming in and up. Go to the right, come in the opposite direction. Now from the top, we're going to step down, draw a short angled line coming out towards the side. Let's work our way up towards the top of the eyes. Starting on the left, curve this up and then out. And the same thing on the right. And then we'll add a point along the top, going up and in with a short line. And then from the top, curve out and then down. Let's work our way back in towards the side of the muzzle. Starting on the left, start with a short curve coming down and in. And create a point along the bottom. Go up and out with a short line. Curve this down and in towards the side of the muzzle. Let's accentuate the brow by adding a fold along the top. Leave a gap in the center, it'll start on the left, curve this up and out. And now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start all the way over on the left side, just underneath the eye. Just going to curve this down underneath the nose, go across, and then back up. Let's add a bracket, going up and down across the corners of the mouth. Let's start back over on the left side and draw the edge of the mouth coming down across the tongue. Starting up here, curve in, and then down. Now the tongue is going to come across and up towards the right, and we'll curl that back in. Now I'm going to go back to the left side, draw the top of the tongue going up and down on the right, and then the tongue's going to get narrower as it comes down towards the tip. So we're just going to taper this across, around, and then in. Let's close off the right side, starting up here, curve in and down in behind the tongue. Now I'm going to add two large fangs on either side. Starting on the left, come down and in, go all the way back up toward the top, do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now the bottom lip is going to sit on top of the cheeks. So let's start on the left side of the tongue, curve out and then up. Do the same thing on the right. And then from here, it's going to bend this back out towards the side. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw on the cheeks. Let's start on the left side, curve the head going out, and pull that back in. Let's line this up on the right, going out and bending that in. And we'll pull the cheeks coming back in behind the side of the lip. Straight in, and then bend that down. Now we're going to add that fluid effect across the bottom of the cheeks. Start from the top, go around and in, around at the inside, go back out, around and in, and then pull that back down. Let's go over towards the right. Turn around and in, go back out. Now I'm just going to add one more bump, coming in and then down. Now with the cheeks in place, we're going to draw a large half circle along the top of the head. Let's start on the left side, curve the head going out, up, and in towards the top, around at the top, come across towards the right, and then down in behind the cheek. Now we're going to add that trim across the top of the head. Let's start right in the middle, start with a point, From here we're going to curve this up and out towards the left, and then the right side. And it'll carry that fluid effect across the side of the head. We'll start back on the left. Coming around, in towards the eye, then that back out. I'm just going to pull this down and in towards the bottom. Let's go to the right. Curve around and in, round this out, go towards the side, come down and in. I'm just going to draw a wave. Bring around, and then back in towards the top of the cheek. Let's add a couple spots along the inside. Start from the top, add a small circle. The top of the left cheek, we'll add a smaller one. Let's add one more on the top right. Now we're going to place two large circles along the top of the head for the ears. Let's start over on the left side. Start by curving in, up, and then out. So round this out. I'm just going to pull this in. We're not going to go all the way. We'll stop right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting up here, curve in, round up the top, all the way around, down, and then in. Now we're going to add that fluid effect coming down across the bottom of the ears. Let's start back on the left. Curving in and then down, round at the bottom, go up, and a small curve, and do another one. Coming down, and then up towards the side of the head. Let's go over towards the right. Start with a small curve, come down, and then up, and another smaller curve, pull it down and in towards the side of the head. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out. I'm just going to pull this all the way down towards the bottom of the shorts. Let's line this up on the right side underneath the tongue, curving the opposite direction, going out and down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the shorts. Starting back on the left, curve this down and up in the middle, and we'll do the same thing on the right. From the center point, we're going to step up and add a curve, coming down and up. And then from that center point, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Let's add Venom's symbol in the center of the body. We'll start right in the middle. Start with two straight angle lines coming down and out. And here we're going to curve this out and up. Go underneath the tongue on the right. Let's go back to the left. Angle up and in. Curve this out and down toward the side of the body. Now from the inside, we're going to step down, follow that same curve going out and up, curve out and down. Let's do that again. Stepping down, go out and up, go out and down. And then from the inside, we're going to step down, angle down and out on either side, angle up and out, curve this out and down towards the side. I'm going to go back to the middle and draw two straight angle lines coming in towards the center. Let's add some fluid across the bottom. Starting from the bottom left, come down, then this up, round up the top, and down, and hook that back up. I'm going to work our way across towards the right. Come down a little lower, go up, add another small curve, come down and out towards the right side. Now we're going to continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the ankle, and we'll round out the bottom, and down and up, and we'll follow that same angle line going up underneath the shorts. Let's place that large cuff in behind the ankles. On the left side, we're going to step up, almost like drawing an oval, going all the way around, and then back in. Let's go to the inside of the cuff, in and down, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, curving down, and then bending that back up. Now we're going to round out the outside of the foot, the way around, and back and down. And just pull that in towards the side of the cup. Let's continue that fluid effect across the bottom. Starting from the top left, come down and up, round up the top, come down, and another curve going up and down, up and down on the inside, and just pull that back up towards the heel. Let's move over towards the right heel. Start by going up and down, up and down, round up the bottom, pull that in, around the end, come down, and I'm just going to pull that back up towards the toe. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start from the top of the body. We'll step down, curve the arm going out and down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, going out and down. Let's round out the wrist, going out and up. And we'll pull the arm going up and in underneath the head. I'm just going to go in behind the tongue on the right, continue along the inside. Now we're going to add that same cuff around the wrist. From the top corner, we'll step up, draw that oval, go all the way around and back in. Now we want to give our character some pointed claws. Starting from the bottom of the cuff, curve in and out towards the tip of the thumb, and then from the tip, go up and then out towards the hand. Let's add 3 claws on either side. Starting from the thumb, go out and then down, and we'll taper that back up towards the hand. Let's add 2 more claws. Starting up here, go out and down, and taper the back in. Now we tuck the 3rd claw in behind. Start from the side, go up, and pull that in towards the side of the cuff. Let's add 2 small lines on the back of the hand, coming up in an angle. And now we're going to add the tail coming out from the right side. Starting from the hip, come down around the thumb, pull that up. I'm just going to taper this down towards the bottom. Let's add some fluid. Coming straight down, rounding this out, and going up. Now we're going to go a little bit lower. Coming down, rounding this out, and then back up. And then we'll follow that same curve, coming in and up behind the side of the body. Let's add a few more spots across the bottom of the feet. Starting from the outside, add a circle, add 1 smaller one on the inside, 1 more on the right, and that's pretty much it. There's a mashup between Venom and Mickey Mouse. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.